The first World Athletics Relays title of 2026 goes to Jamaica in a big new world record. They improved their own mark. Canada home in second, last year's champions. But Jamaica got it all absolutely right when it mattered.
Yeah, Jamaica and Canada just really switching positions from last year. Last year, Canada was first, Jamaica was second, and now they've turned that around. Jamaica comes in for their first gold medal of the championships, with Canada second.